Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Are you tired of that annoying input lag when playing Fortnite on your PS5 with a keyboard? Many players struggle with delayed reactions, making fast-paced games incredibly frustrating and unfair. It feels like your actions aren't registering instantly, costing you precious eliminations. This isn't usually a network problem. It's a specific console setting interaction that affects your peripherals. But don't worry, there's a definitive solution for 2025. The root cause of this persistent input lag often lies in how the PS5 prioritizes and processes external peripheral inputs by default. While your console is powerful, its standard settings aren't always optimized for ultra-low latency keyboard and mouse play. This can become especially apparent when you're using a high refresh rate monitor or trying to execute quick, successive actions. Fortnite, with its fast-paced nature, really highlights these subtle but significant delays. The only truly effective way to combat this input lag in 2025 is by making a crucial adjustment within your PS5 system settings. This isn't a complex mod or a third-party tool. It's an official feature designed to optimize your console's performance for competitive gaming. By enabling this specific setting, you instruct your PlayStation 5 to prioritize keyboard and mouse inputs, dramatically cutting down on those frustrating micro-delays you've been experiencing. It's a game changer. To implement this fix, head to your PS5 main settings. Scroll down to Screen and Video and ensure Enable 120 HD output is set to automatic if your display supports it. This is a good general optimization. Then, the most vital step. Return to Settings, select Save Data and Game/App Settings, choose Game Presets, and critically set Performance Mode to Performance Resolution. This dedicates system resources to input. Don't forget your TV's game mode. After applying these precise settings, jump back into Fortnite. You'll instantly feel a dramatic difference. Your keyboard inputs will be sharper, and your actions will feel incredibly responsive. This simple yet powerful optimization ensures your PS5 is giving its absolute best to your competitive gaming. You can finally play with the precision and speed you need, free from frustrating delays. Go dominate those lobbies without any technical lag holding you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.